Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Nemo Health's 60 Seconds Success. I'm Ron Jones, Client Support Manager, and today I'm here to talk to you about custom text fields. So what is a custom text field and how is it different than a normal text field? Well, when you use a normal text field in an encounter and you save the encounter, it stays there, but the next time you create an encounter, that field will be blank again. A custom text field will save between all of your encounters and can even be used on your dashboards. So let's see how we can edit some of those fields, add new ones, and it's a super easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. In the upper right hand corner of TRAKnet, you're going to click on your name and then click on the Manage Custom Text Fields option. On the left hand side of your screen, you're going to find the list of custom text fields, and on the right, you're going to see a list of available options that you can select for whichever field is currently selected. To add a new field, you're going to click on the Add Field button in the upper left hand corner here, and then on the right hand side, you can give it a name. A popular option for custom text field is something like shoe size. Then at the bottom of the window, you're going to go ahead and hit Add/Edit Values. And you can add in the values you want to be selectable for that field separated by commas. So for shoe size, we would enter in 7, 7.5, 8, and so on and so forth until we have all of our options, and then hit OK. Now you can use this custom text field in your encounters and on your dashboard. And when you're editing your encounter template on your dashboard template, you can look at the right-hand side of your screen and you'll see a tab called Custom Fields. Select that tab and you can now insert your custom text field. Anytime you change that field, it's going to stay exactly the same. You can use it in all of your dashboards. You can use it in all of your encounters. You'll always have it saved, and it's saved per patient. And that is 60 seconds to success.